Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel Bright Black Bulb. Today's video is all about SEO and what does it mean. We will be talking about how to grow fast on YouTube, and specifically we are going to focus on how to rank your videos in search so that you can get more views. Stay tuned and watch the whole video to find out these great tips that will allow you to grow your channel in no time. Papa Bulb has done an entire playlist that contains lots of videos that are super helpful if you're a new YouTuber. Make sure to watch them because I shared many tips that will help you grow your channel faster and easier. The link to the playlist is going to be in the description. This channel is all about YouTube growth and YouTube tips. If that is something that interests you, make sure to subscribe and turn your post notification on so you don't miss anything, as I will be uploading more videos. Okay, that's enough. Let's get into today's video. One of the most asked questions between new YouTubers is about SEO. What is SEO, how to rank your videos in search, and what you need to do in order to rank in search, and stuff like these. In this video, I'm going to break down what is SEO and tell you how to rank in search by doing a 3-step easy process to make sure that your videos are going to rank in search. So let's start. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and essentially SEO is the process of making the algorithm to rank your videos in search. So when you search anything on YouTube, there are some search results that pop up, and SEO is the process of making your videos to be one of those search results. So for example, when someone searches up how to cook pasta or how to do push-ups or any other thing, your video will pop up as a result of that search. So anytime someone searches that keyword, your video will rank in search and your video will get more views and potential subscribers. So if you're a small YouTuber trying to grow, ranking in search and making your videos to show up in search are definitely what you need to do. Now let's talk about that 3-step process that I mentioned above. Papa Bulb works really hard to make these videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below any other tips that you know. The first step is keyword research. Keyword research in simple terms is the process of finding the best keyword for your video to rank it in search. Now, every single keyword on YouTube, and it does not matter what it is, has a search volume and competition volume. Now, the search volume basically tells you that on the scale of 0 to 100, how much are people searching up this keyword. The competition volume tells you that on scale of 0 to 100, that's how many people are making videos with the similar title, and they are a competitor to your video. Now, there's a way to figure the competition volume and the search volume. You should not just guess them randomly. What you need to do is to use one of the keyword research tools that are out there, like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, Keywords Everywhere, or any other keyword research tool. Now, here comes up a subject that not many people like to hear, and that is the full version of these keyword research tools are not free and they come at a cost. For example, the cheapest version of TubeBuddy is around $10, so you need to definitely do your research and figure out which one of those keyword research tools are best for you. In my opinion, keyword research tools are one of the best investments that you can do for your channel, because using these keyword research tools can increase the rate at which you grow your channel way faster, and you can get more than 20,000 subscribers in 1 year. In addition to that, you're going to get monetized after that, and you're going to make money off of your YouTube channel. So the keyword research tool is somehow paying for itself. So if you want to make an investment in your YouTube channel, a keyword research tool would be a great one, and I definitely suggest, because it is connected directly to your growth on YouTube. Now, I am going to show you how do I do my own keyword research in TubeBuddy. First of all, I go into TubeBuddy and bring up the Keyword Explorer tool. Now, here I type in the video titles. Now, let's say that I want to type in how to drive a car. Now, here it is going to give me a search volume and a competition volume. So for example, how to drive a car has a very high search but also a very high competition, which you can see here that TubeBuddy is telling me that if I want to target this keyword, my video has a very low chance of ranking. Now on the side of the Keyword Explorer tool, we can see some recommendations. These are basically different ways to target the same exact keyword but in a more broken down and specific way. Now, for example, I choose how to drive a car for beginners, and now we can see that the overall score increases. though the search volume is decreased, but the competition volume is also decreased, which is a good thing. But again, overall TubeBuddy does not recommend it because the overall score is low. Now let's change it into how to drive a manual car for beginners step by step. We can see that the overall score is excellent and there is hardly any competition. Now here TubeBuddy is telling me that if I use this keyword, it would be much more likely that I rank for this keyword compared to the first keyword. So whenever I am coming up with video ideas or titles, I always research my keywords first and pick the best one that gives me way higher chance to rank in search. Don't forget to appreciate Papa Bulb's hard work and give this video a thumbs up and share it with your YouTuber friends. Step number 2 is optimizing your videos. So the second that you upload a video to YouTube, YouTube's algorithm is going to take a look at your metadata. Now, what is a metadata, you may ask? It is split up into 3 parts: your tags, title, and description. And what your metadata does is that it tells the algorithm that what your video is about, so the algorithm can figure out who to give your video to. For example, if your metadata is full of keywords like fitness, gym, staying fit and stuff like this, then the algorithm will automatically understand that it needs to show your video to people who typically watch that type of videos. So in optimizing your video for the keyword that you have researched, you are giving your video the best chance at ranking at that keyword. Here is how you should do that. The first thing that you need to do is to take your keyword and word for word put it in your title. And then again word for word put it in the first tag in your tag box. And finally word for word put it in the top of your description box. For example, something like, this video is about how to drive a manual car step by step for beginners. What that does is that the second that someone searches up, the algorithm is going to recognize that keyword in your tag's title and description and give you a very good chance for ranking at that keyword because it matches the high search volume, but there is also a moderate competition volume and there are way less videos to compete with and you have a better chance to rank for it. And if you search your keyword, for example, how to drive a manual car step by step, you can see that every single one of the videos that are ranked in search have that keyword in the title, description and the tags. So definitely filling your metadata with your keywords is the best way to rank on YouTube. Now let's talk about the tag section. In your tag section, YouTube allows you to write tags up to 500 characters. You need to use all of those 500 characters and fill your tag box because that gives you more chance to rank for multiple keywords and get more views faster. If you get the paid version of TubeBuddy, under the tag box there's a section that recommends tags to you. Each of these tags is either green, yellow, orange or red tag. The green tag means that you have a very great chance that you will rank for it and TubeBuddy recommends you to use this tag. A more orange or red tags means that you don't have a good chance to rank and that you should not use this one. So what you need to do is to fill your tag box with as many of these green tags as possible. And then what you need to do is to take as much green tags and put them in your description box. Do not copy and paste the tags in your description box because YouTube sees that as spam and it's not good for your channel. So you need to take as many green tags as possible and turn it into a little paragraph that describes your video with lots of green tags in it. Then what happens when somebody searches any of those tags and keywords, the algorithm does not need to necessarily find them in your title because it can find it in your tags and description. Therefore, you have a very high chance for ranking for those keywords because they are in 2 out of 3 sections of your metadata. So that is how you optimize your videos for search with keyword. Papa Bulb has done a video on how to make YouTube to suggest your videos to more people and show your video on the recommended section. The link is going to be in the description and the video will appear on top right now. Step number 3 is audience retention and engagement. This is the most important step in ranking your videos in search. So if you search up anything on YouTube, you can see the results that you get are not based on views. There may be a video with 5,000 views that is ranked above a video with 500,000 views. That is because YouTube ranks videos based on engagement and audience retention ratio to views. So for example, if you have a video with 10,000 views and another video with 100,000 views, if the one with 10,000 views has better audience retention to view ratio, it is going to be boosted further than the one with 100,000 views. Papa Bulb has done a video on how to increase your audience retention so you have a better chance to rank in search. The link is going to be in the description and the video will appear on top right now. So it is important that as soon as you upload your videos, you need to do everything in your power to get as many likes, comments, views, video card clicks and end screens and any other sort of engagement possible, and the best audience retention possible. Because the more engagement you get, it is more likely that your video is going to get boosted higher than others with less engagement. So in a nutshell, getting your videos ranked on YouTube comes down to 3 different factors, which are researching a good keyword with lots of search volume and very low competition volume, and then optimizing your videos with that keyword, and then getting lots of engagement and audience retention. If you do your videos based on this checklist, your videos have a very high chance of ranking in search and getting more views. And the best part about search ranking are that they will bring you views 24/7, which means that you can get so many views overnight when you're sleeping, because your videos stay ranked in search. Search rankings are a very powerful tool and a very powerful way to get more views and grow your channel. And that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to share this video with any people you know that might help them. My goal is to help every small YouTuber out there. Make sure to hit that like button and comment down below what you think about this video, or if you know any other methods. Finally, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get notified every single time I upload videos like this. Until next time, peace.